Hey there, science fans! Today we're talking about something super cool: artificial intelligence, or AI for short. AI is like giving computers a brain boost. It helps them learn and solve problems, just like you and me. You see AI all the time, like when your phone unlocks with your face or when you ask your smart speaker to play your favorite song. Pretty neat, right? Let's dive in and learn more about how it works. Imagine you're teaching a dog a new trick, like shaking hands. You start by showing them what you want them to do, guiding their paw into your hand. The dog looks at you, trying to understand what you want. You repeat the action a few times, and then, when they finally get it right, you reward them with a treat and lots of praise. You show them the trick, reward them when they get it right, and correct them when they make a mistake. This process of teaching and learning is based on repetition, rewards, and corrections. The more you practice with your dog, the better they get at performing the trick. They start to understand what you want from them and respond accordingly. AI learns in a similar way. Just like a dog, AI needs to be trained. Instead of using treats and praise, we use data and algorithms. We feed the AI system with tons of data, showing it examples of what we want it to learn. This data acts like the repeated actions you show your dog. We feed it tons of data, like showing the trick, and tell it what's right and wrong. The AI system processes this information, learning from the examples we provide. When it makes a mistake, we correct it by adjusting the algorithms or providing more data. Over time, the AI gets better at understanding the patterns and making accurate predictions or decisions. Over time, it gets better and better at the task, just like your furry friend. The more data and feedback the AI receives, the more refined its abilities become. It starts to perform tasks with greater accuracy and efficiency, much like how a dog becomes more proficient at a trick with practice. But instead of learning tricks, AI can learn to do all sorts of amazing things, like recognizing pictures, translating languages, and even driving cars. The potential of AI is vast and ever-expanding. From helping doctors diagnose diseases to enabling smart home devices, AI is transforming the way we live and work. Just like a super smart dog, AI continues to learn and adapt, making our lives easier and more efficient. Ready for some hands-on AI fun? Today we're going to dive into the fascinating world of computer vision. Imagine teaching a computer to see and recognize objects just like we do. Let's teach a computer to recognize different objects. This is a great activity for the whole family, and it's easier than you might think. First, gather some objects around your house, like a book, a toy, and a piece of fruit. These everyday items will be perfect for our little experiment. Make sure to pick items that are distinct and easy to recognize. This will help the computer learn more effectively. Next, use a simple AI tool. There are many free ones online, and take turns showing the objects to your computer's camera. This is where the magic happens. As you show each object, tell the computer what it is. For example, say this is a book or this is a toy. The more you practice, the better the AI will get at recognizing these items. The AI will start to learn the patterns and shapes that make each object unique. It's like teaching a child to recognize different things in their environment. Keep practicing, and soon your computer will be able to identify the objects all by itself. It's a fun and educational way to introduce kids to the world of artificial intelligence. Happy learning! Section 4: AI Games. Fun for the whole family. In today's digital age, technology has brought families closer together in ways we never imagined. One of the most exciting developments is the advent of AI-powered games that are not only entertaining, but also educational. Did you know there are games that can teach you about AI? It's true! These games are designed to be engaging and informative, making learning about artificial intelligence a fun experience for everyone, regardless of age. One fun game is called Quick Draw. This game challenges you to draw a picture on the screen while the AI tries to guess what you're drawing. It's like playing Pictionary, but with a twist. In this game, you draw a picture on the screen, and the AI tries to guess what you're drawing. The more you draw, the better the AI gets at recognizing your sketches. It's fascinating to see how quickly the AI learns and improves. It's a fun way to see how AI understands images and learns. Plus, it's hilarious to see the AI's guesses, which can sometimes be spot on or wildly off the mark. This unpredictability adds an element of surprise and laughter to the game. Another cool game is Emoji Scavenger Hunt. This game takes the fun to the next level by incorporating real-world objects into the gameplay. This game uses AI to identify objects in the real world. You get a list of emojis and you have to find objects that match those emojis using your phone's camera. It's like a high-tech treasure hunt. You get a list of emojis and you have to find objects that match those emojis using your phone's camera. This game encourages kids to explore their surroundings and think creatively about how everyday items can represent different emojis. These games are a blast for the whole family and a great way to learn about AI at the same time. They provide a unique opportunity for parents and children to bond over technology, fostering both fun and learning in a shared experience. So, gather your family, pick up your devices, and dive into the world of AI games together. Section 5. Keep on learning with AI. So there you have it, Science Explorers. AI is all about teaching computers to think smarter and do amazing things. What other cool things do you want to learn about AI? Tell me in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more exciting science adventures.